Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to clean the filter for the Dyson V10. Okay, as the instruction said, the first step we're gonna take the filter out. The second step we're gonna wash it from the inside out. And the third step we're gonna do the air dry only, okay, 24 hours. Or actually, yeah, 24 hours. Okay, let's see. Okay, I still do it one hand, so I'm gonna take the filter out. Okay, turn it like that. It's come out. Okay. Yeah, so it's kind of dirty. Okay. So one way, right? This way. So water coming this way. Okay. So here's how the filter look like. We're gonna water it this way. Okay. So just water in there. Put the water in there. Turn it on. You can see that it's coming out. You use warm water, by the way. You should have better result than the cold water. I'm not even spray it, okay? So oh guys, actually it's clean. I thought the white one is the dust. Actually the white one is the picture. Now you notice is the picture telling us that just use the faucet. You see, it's like a faucet picture. Okay, so it's clean already. Okay, and then we're gonna air dry it. Don't squeeze, don't use your hand. You're gonna damage your filter. Okay, so this is after wash. Like a minute after wash. So you see it doesn't have the water trap anywhere. I just wipe out the outside because I'm gonna put it air dry on my table. Okay, I'm not even gonna put it under the sun or anything, just air dry, no sun, no heat. From my experience, if you turn it over, I think it will dry faster. Okay, so it has been 24 hours. Now you're gonna put it back. Okay, so to put it back, you're gonna turn it clockwise, okay? Okay, that's it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.